Hello and welcome. Are you tired of feeling sluggish, bloated, and run down? Do you long for a natural and powerful way to revitalize your body and boost your health? Look no further than 5-Seed Blend, the ultimate superfood blend that can transform your life. Hi, my name is Emily, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about 5-Seed Blend. Please, disagree with me. Don't believe anything you hear here. In the description of this video, you can verify for yourself the veracity of the information that is being delivered. Any questions you have, leave a comment or contact us for more information. I have some important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about 5-Seed Blend is that you should be careful about the site you have been searching, because it has been the subject of some fakes. I left the Activation Products website in the description of this video. This ensures you get reliable information. In addition, on the official website, you will find several testimonials from people who have used it and what their real results were. On the website, at the end of the page, you will also find all the references, articles, and sources on which the production of 5-Seed Blend was inspired. It is important that you visit the official product page to know about the refund policy, terms of use, and privacy. Also check out the most frequently asked questions by customers and get support. Remember, 5-Seed Blend is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, consult your physician before using this product. So, what is 5-Seed Blend, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes. With its powerful combination of 5 nutrient-dense seeds, 5-Seed Blend is the ultimate weapon in your quest for optimal health and well-being. This incredible blend contains chia, flax, hemp, pumpkin, and sunflower seeds, all of which are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help take your health to the next level. Imagine feeling more energized, focused, and alive than ever before. That's the power of 5-Seed Blend. This potent blend of superfoods can help improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and support healthy brain function. Plus, with its high protein content, 5-Seed Blend can help build and repair muscle tissue, making it a must-have for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. But the benefits don't stop there. 5-Seed Blend is also an excellent source of heart-healthy fats and antioxidants, which can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and support optimal cardiovascular function. And with its high fiber content, this blend can help regulate blood sugar levels, reduce cravings, and keep you feeling full and satisfied for hours on end. So, briefly, with 5-Seed Blend you will get the following benefits: improves bladder health, better bone health, thicker, healthier hair, clear, youthful skin, digestive support. Of course, it's nothing magical, but when combined with a good lifestyle, it immediately accelerates the process and other health benefits. Also important for you to know, 5-Seed Blend has no side effects. That's because your formula consisting of crucial components natural, such as vitamin E, sunflower, pumpkin, flax, black sesame, coriander seed oils, omega-6, omega-9, omega-3, and many others, natural elements rich in great properties, 100% natural origin. Check the label and certificate on the product on the website. Also, for 5-Seed Blend to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see that initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with 5-Seed Blend, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a very unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. Guarantee. Visit the full page and click on the link to know more about the return policy. You can actually test 5-Seed Blend for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Remember to buy safely. Your payment will be processed by the Activation Platform, secure platform for online payment. Fill in your details correctly and receive all instructions by email or cell phone. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy 5-Seed Blend from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that 5-Seed Blend actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. Thanks for watching the video, and see you at the official website of 5-Seed Blend for more information and details. Big hug, and until next time.